So welcome to my YouTube channel. So first question is Article 45 is related to provision for early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years. Next, father of educational psychology, Thorndike. Father of behaviorism, J.B. Watson. Of course, you have to say father of psychology and father of modern psychology. Okay, this question used to come in your all competitive exams. An article related to educational system in Indian constitution, you have to check all articles from there. Yes, article 45 is related to what? You have got the answer. Next, the biggest vaccine manufacturer by volume in the world is Serum Institute of India. So you have got the answer about Serum Institute of India. This is the biggest vaccine manufacturer by volume in the world. So this is most important question for any competitive exams. Now next question. Name the city that has been conferred the Swachh Sarvekshan 2020 award as the cleanest city in the any region, any means northeast region, and the state under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, that is Jorhat in Assam. United Arab Emirates. This country launched its first mission to the Mars on 19 July 2020. So this is also most important question. Largest vaccination drive in Indian history against COVID-19 virus on the dated 16 January 2021. So this type of questions are important for TET, teachers eligibility test, APSC, AC or NEET or other competitive exams. So you have to got the biggest vaccine manufacturer by volume in the world is Serum Institute of India. In United Arab Emirates, this country launched its first mission to the Mars on 19 July 2020. Largest vaccination drive in Indian history against COVID-19 virus on 16 January 2021. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches this one, and this was the largest vaccination drive against pandemic COVID-19. So all of you very familiar about the COVID-19 disease. This is serious disease and this damage all over the world. Okay, be careful. So we have to wear masks, we have to keep social distancing. Okay, next, the most discussed LAC. LAC means line of actual control is a disputed borderline between India and China. So all of you very familiar about India and China. These are neighbor countries, and now and then misunderstanding is going on about LAC. Okay, so how many electoral votes were backed by Joe Biden in the November 2020 US election? That is 306, that means 306 only. So Louis Gluck, he won the Nobel Prize in Literature for the year of 2020. So question may come, pick out the correct option. Who won the Nobel Prize in Literature for the year of 2020? Okay, so Louis Gluck. So be careful. So you have to check all LAC and the borderline country near India, and what is the name of that line. So you have to check everything properly. Now you will get next question from there. Next, Hong Kong says removed the pro-democracy books from its public libraries recently. This is also current question, current general knowledge question. So you have to check properly and remember about this one. You study about the Hong Kong and the current political situation all over the world. The National Education Policy 2020 was approved by the Union Cabinet on 29 July 2020. This visionary policy that aims to touch upon every aspect of education from elementary to higher education will replace the National Policy on Education 1986. So now we will get the new education system. So all are very familiar about the education policy of 2020. Okay, and depending on from now onwards, that means 2021, so some state or all over the India, they want to implement all these rules and regulation about the education system. So we have to check about the National Educational Policy 2020 and you will get all answer about the educational system of India. Okay, next question. You have to check about the Kothari Commission, Mudaliar Commission. So this educational policy are very important in all competitive exams. Okay, so you have to check about the Mudaliar Commission, okay, Kothari Commission, National Policy of Educational System, everything you have to check very clearly. Now Hari Singh, he was the ruler of Kashmir at the time of India's independence. So question will come, who was the ruler of Kashmir at the time of India's independence? The brave Assamese lady warrior Mula Gabhru died fighting against Turbok Khan. So you know these are all freedom fighter. Okay. Gamdhar Kaur was the first Assamese to fight against the greatest British. So pick out the correct one, who fight against British at first. So you can able to write the answer very easily. Now the novel Abhijatri is based on Aidu Handikoi. That is Aidu Hendik. So in Assamese pronunciation is Handikoi. So this novel was written on her life, based on her life and her achievements. Okay, sometimes that may also ask in exams. So now you will get this type of question answer about literature, about the nickname, about the famous title in my videos. So you can visit my channel for confirmation. Okay, next, check again these things. Okay, you will get many more brave Assamese people who fight against British. Okay, about Moniram Dewan, Gamdhar Kaur. Okay, you can check history part from there. Next, who was the author of famous book Indica? That is Megasthenes. So I wrote this on Megasthenes. He was the author of the famous book Indica. Kazakhstan is the largest landlocked country in the world. So question may come, name the largest landlocked country in the world. So you can write easily Kazakhstan. So Indonesia is the largest archipelago country in the world. So in this connection I want to tell you,
largest dam
large dam
in the
in
world,
the world, or large dam
largest dam In
in
India.
India. Okay, high speak in all over the world or high speak in India. Okay, this type of question may come in competitive exams, so you check those questions for your confirmation. That way you can able to select your correct option very easily. So in my video also you will get such type of question answer. Okay, you can able to visit my channel for your confirmation. Next, when did life begin in the world? That is 3.8 billion years ago approximates. Nobody can able to give the proper time about the beginning of life in the world. So this is a big question among scientists and us. So black revolution associated with, that is in India, self-dependence, that is self-dependence in the production of crude oil. So this is known as black revolution. Okay, be careful. Black revolution, green revolution. So you check these things very properly, very clearly. The first speaker of the Lok Sabha of the Indian Parliament was G.V. Mavalankar. So G.V. Mavalankar was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha of the Indian Parliament. Okay. So in this connection, I want to tell you about the numbers of members, total numbers of members in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in Indian Constitution. Okay, this type of question also, or who is the supreme one? That means Lok Sabha is powerful one or Rajya Sabha. So this type of question also you check yourself. Thank you.